So we looked at exponential functions, and we looked at inverse functions a couple sections ago. We're going to put those two ideas together here and look at the inverse of the exponential. So lighting on my glasses must be irritating. We're going to look at something called a logarithm, which is the inverse function of an exponential function. And they're really easy. They might seem a little strange. Log base 5 of 25 equals 2. Okay, there's a logarithmic expression, meaning an expression that has logarithms in it. And we read it log base 5 of 25 is 2. And all that means is, what exponent would you put on 5 to get 25? The answer is 2. So when you're looking at a logarithmic expression, think of it like this. This thing here, to that power, 5 to the second power, is that. Okay, start with the base. That to whatever's on the other side of the equal sign equals that there. So a couple examples. Log base 3 of 27. 3 to what power would be 27? 3 to the third power is 27. You can check in your calculator if you need to. 3 to the third, you should get 27. Log base 2 of 32. What power would you put on 2 to get 32? That would be 8. I'm sorry, not 8, my bad. It would be 5. 2 to the fifth power is 32. 2 to the fifth is 32, so log base 2 of 32 equals 5. That basically is what a logarithm is, and we're not going to get too terribly ugly with them. The textbook has some really nasty examples in there, but we're going to kind of skip over those and stay with the easy stuff. First thing I want you to be able to do with these is to convert them. So if I give you a logarithmic expression, I want you to give me the equivalent exponential expression. Real simple. So log base 3 of 9 is 2. Right? That means 3 to the second power is 9. So we convert that to 3 to the second power is 9. Done. We converted it from an exponential expression, from a logarithmic expression into an exponential expression. Log base 5 of 125 is 3. 5 to the third power is 125. Done. That's all we need to do is convert between the two forms. You're going to run into a couple special exceptions here, and I want to make sure you're ready for those. If you run into one that just says log, if there's nothing written there, that means it's log base 10 of whatever the thing is equals whatever. 10 to the third power equals 1,000. Right? So make a note of that. When you don't see a base for the exponent, that means the base is 10. We call that the common log. And there's another special case here too. If you had it written as ln, not in, it's ln of 5 equals, let's say, x, because I have no idea what it would be. That means, or that's the same thing as saying that it's log base e of 5 equals x, and that would be equivalent to e to the x power equals 5. Right? That's all there is to it. Just whatever's there to that power equals that. Easy. See you next time.